How to clear CoinHopper jams and errors quickly. This tutorial uses the nickel hopper as an example. Push the green button to release the hopper tray and slide it out. Disconnect the cable. Reach under the hopper tray and pull down the tab to release the hopper. Hold the lid closed and tilt over the hopper. If a coin falls out, the problem is most likely resolved. Relatch the hopper and connect the cable. Sign on to the management screen with your password. Choose Log Out and the error should be cleared. If a coin did not fall out of the chute or errors continue, please follow these instructions. Disconnect the cable and remove the hopper again. Empty the coins and remove the top of the hopper by gently spreading the two arms of the frame. Use Q-tips or compressed air to clean this area. Lift the hopper out of the frame slightly and check this slot for debris. Reattach the top of the hopper by inserting these two square points into the frame first. Tilt the top over and latch it in place. Add coins and reinstall it in the kiosk. Sign into the management screen with your password. Choose Test Devices. Choose CoinHopper and the denomination that had an issue. If test results say successful, the issue is resolved. Choose Log Out. If issues continue, please call our dispatch line. We will get back to you within 15 minutes.